Hello, there's somebody's hand. I wonder who that is. It's Hug. Hello, Hug.
Hello. I'm looking for Goo Goo. Goo Goo, are you up here? Goo Goo.
Hello, Hug.
Oh, it's Harry. Have you seen Goo Goo, Harry?
Why are you looking for Goo Goo?
It's his birthday.
Birthday? I love birthdays! Yay!
Goo Goo. Where is Goo Goo? Maybe he's in there. Goo Goo. Goo Goo. Are you in there? No, Goo Goo's not in here.
Will Hug
Goo
find
Goo.
Goo Goo?
Goo
He doesn't
Goo.
know where he is.
Goo Goo. Oh, maybe he's up there. I'll have to climb up and have a look.
Go on, Hug. Go and climb up.
Goo Goo, are you there? Goo Goo. I can't see him here either. What's that?
Looks like Hug has seen somebody. Who's that sleeping? It's Goo Goo.
Goo Goo's asleep. Shh. I'm going to make a surprise party for him before he wakes up.
A surprise party for Goo Goo?
First, I've got to make some decorations. There's paper and a pencil and crayons and scissors and more paper and a stapler.
What kind of decorations are you making, Hug?
You'll see in a minute. Just gotta draw these lines. Now I've gotta cut them up into strips. Oh no! That's very loud. I don't want to wake Goo Goo up. I've got to do it quietly. Crayon, can you help me color these strips?
Hello, Hug. I can help you. What are you doing?
I'm making a surprise party. He's asleep. Can you color these strips?
What, these strips? Yes, of course I can help you. First green, blue, orange, yellow. All ready for you.
Oh, that's great, Crayon. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Hug. Have fun.
Now I've got to make rings out of them. Oh no, the noise is going to wake Goo Goo up. I'm not ready yet. I've got to be quiet with the stapler so Goo Goo doesn't wake up.
Wow, Hug, what a beautiful decoration chain you have made.
Now I've got to hang it up. High up there.
Wow, that is high, Hug. What are you gonna do? Wow, looks like Hug is going to climb all the way up to hang the decoration for Goo Goo. Don't fall, Hug, don't fall. You did it! Okay, now the other end. It's a long way. Oh no.
Oh no, the chain wasn't long enough. I've got to make it longer. Longer and longer and longer and longer.
Well done, Hug. Goo Goo is still asleep. Try not to wake him up. Up you go. Such a long chain. I hope you made it long enough this time, Hug, so you won't have to climb up again. I think it's going to be okay. Up you go, Hug. Up you go.
Yeah, it's long enough. We did it. Oh,
What a beautiful decoration chain, Hug. So long. What's this? Hug, why are you hiding?
I'm not hiding. I've got a box of surprises. In I go. I've got to look for some surprises for Pass the Package. Wait a minute.
Let's see what you find, Hug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that's loud. 5 surprises. Now what are you going to do, Hug?
I've got wrapping paper And I've got the presents. Now I've got to make past the package.
Oh, that's noisy, Hug.
Oh no, GooGoo's waking up from the noise. I've got an idea. A magic wand. I'll wrap it up by magic.
What are you looking for, Hug?
GooGoo's friends. Party time! Party time!
Oh, there's Gaga. She's coming to the birthday party. Rainbow Horse, you're here too. And Larry's coming too.
Hello! Yes, I'm coming too! Hello, friends!
Hi, Hug.
Are you coming to GooGoo's birthday party?
Yeah, I'll put on my costume. Ta-da!
But GooGoo's still asleep. What are his friends going to do?
GooGoo sleeping!
GooGoo! Wake up, GooGoo!
Right, I'll shake him awake! GooGoo! Wake up! Wake up! No, he won't wake.
Ha! I know how to wake him up. I'm going to tickle his feet. No, he won't wake up even if we tickle him.
Did he wake up, Gaga? No. An alarm clock? That's a great idea.
It's loud! That's very loud. That will just frighten GooGoo. Let's take it further away.
That's too far. GooGoo can't hear.
I'll take it to the middle so it won't be too loud and not too soft.
Good morning, GooGoo. Happy birthday. Now we can start the party. Pass the package. Let's see who gets the package when the music stops. Gaga, Larry, Harry. Oh, Rainbow Horse, you got it. Open up the first wrapping. What did you get? What did you get? A balloon. Blow it up. What a beautiful blue balloon. Next wrapping. Who's gonna get the next wrapping? Goo Goo? Gaga? Larry, you got it. Let's see what you got.
I got it! I got a
A
ball!
bouncing ball. What fun.
Back and forth, rock!
And another one. Now let's see who gets it this time. Goo Goo? Rainbow Horse again? Hug! What did you get, Hug?
A mouse! I got a mouse!
Whoa!
Hey, that's funny.
The music started. Gaga? No. Larry? Harry, you got it this time.
I got it. It's mine
What
this
have you
time.
got? What have
did
you
I
got?
get? What did
Open
I
up.
get?
Come on,
What's in
quickly.
here? A whistle.
Okay, one more time. Gaga? No? Again? Goo Goo! Yay! The birthday boy has got his gift. What is it, Goo Goo? What's in the box? Bubbles! Look at those beautiful bubbles. What's wrong, Goo Goo? Oh, Gaga's sad. She didn't get a present. What are you going to do, Goo Goo? You don't want her to be sad? Oh, you're going to share it with her. That's so thoughtful of you, Goo Goo. What a wonderful birthday party Hug prepared for Goo Goo.
I love making parties for my friends. Happy birthday, GooGoo.
Happy birthday, Goo Goo. You have wonderful friends. Somebody's asleep. Goo Goo, it's playtime. Goo Goo loves playtime. Yay! He wants to play with his friends too. There they are. It looks like so much fun. There's Gaga and Harry on the seesaw. Up, down, up, down. Goo Goo wants to play too. He's going to join them in the playground. Oh, what happened? Again? What is that? Goo Goo can't get to the playground. Goo Goo doesn't know what's stopping him. There's a big glass wall. Nobody in the playground can hear him. It looks like so much fun, but nobody can hear Goo Goo. Okay, Goo Goo's got an idea. He's not gonna give up. Goo Goo's running and he jumps, but oh no, it's too high. Well, that didn't work. Yeah, push Goo Goo, push. You can do it. Push harder. Push. Oh, the wall is just too big and heavy for Goo Goo. It won't move even a little bit. But Goo Goo's always got another idea. Where's he going? Into his room? What's that? Is that a spade, Goo Goo? No one can hear you still. That's a good idea. Spades are for digging holes in the ground. Are you gonna dig a tunnel and go under the wall? Dig, Goo Goo, dig. Yeah, dig a hole. No, it's not working, is it? What's this coming? Oh, it's Goo Goo again. I wonder what he's doing. Uh-huh. It's so high, Goo Goo. Catch! Hold on, Goo Goo, hold on. Oh no. No, that idea didn't work either. Okay, Goo Goo's got to think. Think hard, Goo Goo. Think hard. He's got another idea. Well done, Goo Goo. Lots of ideas. Lots and lots of balls to play with. Are you going to play by yourself, Goo Goo? It looks like Goo Goo's trying to call his friends. Can he get the ball over? Yay! At last! Gaga has seen him. Where did you go, Gaga? Is that Goo Goo over there? Gaga is calling Harry.
Yeah, I can see.
All his friends have come to see him. But he's still on the other side of the wall. And they can't hear him.
Can't hear you, Goo Goo. Listen, everybody, we've got to think about a way to get Goo Goo across. Push! Push!
All together,
Push harder!
they're trying to push the wall down.
Let's get the wall down.
Careful! Don't squash Goo Goo. I wonder what's happening now.
Okay, up we go.
They're
Up,
making
up,
a
up.
tower.
Hold on.
What
Come on,
clever
Gaga.
friends Goo Goo's got.
Yay!
Oh, they all fell down.
That was fun.
No, it didn't work, did it, Goo Goo?
Come on, Gaga. Ooh, it's heavy. It's really heavy.
But why are you bringing the seesaw, Gaga and Harry? Goo Goo is still on the other side of the glass wall. He can't play with
Okay,
you.
Wait a minute, Goo Goo. Up we go. Up we go.
What a funny
One,
game.
2. Whoop.
Hold on, Gaga, hold on. Oh. What's that big thing coming, Goo Goo?
Push, everybody. Push. Push.
Oh,
Push
all
harder.
his friends are pushing something.
Nearly there. Push.
Don't they want to see him anymore? Goo Goo looks sad.
Here we go. 1, 2. Are you coming, Gaga? 3, 4.
Here they come.
Goo Goo. Goo Goo. Hey, come on. We'll catch you.
Jump, Goo Goo,
We'll
jump.
catch you. He can't jump high enough, Gaga.
No, it's just too high.
Uh-huh.
Somebody's got an idea.
Yay! Go and get it, Gaga. Go on. Bring it here. Yay! Come on, Goo Goo. Catch the rope. Catch the other end of the rope, and we'll pull you up.
They're sending you a rope, Goo Goo. What a great idea. Yeah,
Pull! Pull!
let's go up.
Pull!
Whoa,
Pull!
here he comes.
Goo Goo.
Here he comes.
We're pulling.
Yay, you got him.
Goo Goo. Come on. At last, you're with us. Come and play with us. It's going to be so much fun.
Yay, everyone's together.
Hey! Do you like Goo Goo? Click here to see more. Click here to be his friend forever.